বুধবার ধলাই জেলার বিভিন্ন এলাকায় মানুষের কোভিড-19 টেস্ট হয়েছে। এদিন রাজ্যের বিভিন্ন প্রান্ত থেকে মানুষের স্যাম্পল নেওয়া হয়েছে। আমবাসা জওহরনগর ১৩৮ নম্বর ব্যাটালিয়ন ছাড়াও অন্যান্য ব্যাটালিয়নের জওয়ানদেরও পরীক্ষা হচ্ছে। মঙ্গলবার পর্যন্ত রাজ্যে ৬,২২৮ জনের পরীক্ষা হয়েছে। মঙ্গলবার যে ১৩ জনের করোনা পজিটিভ এসেছিল তাদের মধ্যে একজন মেস মাস্টার ছিলেন, যিনি সাধারণ নাগরিক। তাঁর বাড়ি ক্যাম্প সংলগ্ন এলাকায়। তাঁর বাড়ির লোকজনকেও টেস্ট করা হচ্ছে। বর্তমানে রাজ্যে জীবিত ৪০ এবং আইজিএম হাসপাতালে ৩০টি বেড রয়েছে করোনা আক্রান্তদের চিকিৎসার জন্য। জিবি হাসপাতালে ৮০ জনের চিকিৎসা সম্ভব। বৃহস্পতিবার এ ব্যাপারে স্বাস্থ্য দপ্তরের বৈঠক রয়েছে জিবির বেড বাড়ানোর বিষয়ে। অন্যদিকে শালবাগান বিএসএফ এর ৫০ বেডের হাসপাতাল রয়েছে। তারা সামাজিক দূরত্ব বজায় রেখেও ৩৫ জনের চিকিৎসা করতে পারবেন। বিএসএফকে বলা হয়েছে সেখানে আক্রান্তদের রেখে চিকিৎসা করানোর জন্য রাজ্য সরকার সামগ্রী দিয়ে সাহায্য করবে। বিএসএফ এর পক্ষ থেকে এখনো কোনো জবাব আসেনি। বুধবার সন্ধ্যায় মহাকরণে জানিয়েছেন স্বাস্থ্য সচিব এম কে রাকেশ।
I'll give you the brief of what happened in last 24 hours. By now you know that yesterday 13 more persons were found positive with the coronavirus, and all 13 were from the BSF headquarters itself. Among them, there was one person called Jai Kumar Mog, who is a civilian working in their mess, and he is a resident of Magdinpada, adjacent to BSF headquarters. But as per information, for last more than 1 year since the lockdown, he was within the battalion headquarters only. So he had not come out to his house. However, we have visited his family house, and samples of his father, brother, and his sister-in-law, that is Bhavi, had also been taken. Yesterday, total 387 tests were done. Out of that, 185 was from Dhalai. This included the BSF people from BSF headquarters, Gandachera, Nalkata, and medical staff, plus 10 more persons, civilians, who were primarily the patient and the relatives who had stayed for a small period of time in Ambassa. So, you know, those 13 have been found positive. These 13 persons have already come to GB. They are now in GB. Now, today, as of now, 435 tests are running, out of which 259 are from Ambassa, Dhalai district. About 152 are BSF Jawan. Then 51 are civilian from Magdinpada, which is adjacent to the BSF headquarters, and 19 are from the Mombadi and the police line, which is all adjacent, and 37 are other contacts based on our tracing, which are undergoing tests now. Results are likely to come around 10 PM or so, so that you will come to know whatever the result. The 3 containment zones that has been declared, surveillance and monitoring in that area is going on. The total about 5,000 families are covered in that, largest being the Gandachera, because Adam Base is close to the Gandachera town. Till now, out of that, we have visited every house. We are monitoring the symptoms. Some cases have been found, and based on that, sample collection is going on. On the data part, on the cumulative, we have completed about 6,228 tests till yesterday, and of course, 43 have been found positive. You all know that. On Shoraibari front, there have been vehicles coming. Considering the whole issue and long jam of the goods vehicle that was coming, we consulted some people who told 50% sampling rate for asymptomatic is very high, and because that was also leading to jam. So now we have asked DM to do two things. One, not every alternate vehicle will be tested. Alternate vehicle originating from non-hotspot area and driver or conductor having no symptom. So that category now every fifth vehicle sample will be taken. So this decision was taken yesterday night and today speed has gone up. Rest you will verify whether that is sufficient or not. Second decision we have taken, particularly in respect of perishables. That decision is that if the perishable is coming from hotspot, vehicle will not be started because there is a likelihood of perishable getting damaged. So samples would be taken there and they would be released with information to concerned district magistrate that when the vehicle unloads, the persons from the vehicle, driver, assistant, everybody, should be put in quarantine till the result comes. So these two modifications have been done. Other is that the 10 buses coming from Kota has arrived. Their samples have been collected. There are total 262 persons. Now they have been put under quarantine for a day at Ambassa Dharnagar. Their sample is likely to reach by tonight or early morning tomorrow. And by tomorrow evening the results should be out because it's coming from hotspot. So they all have been put under facility quarantine. I think this is by and large for today. Anything that you have, please let me know.
Sir, is there any possibility of people from other zone to come to the containment zone?
What do you mean? Containment zone is containment zone. Nobody can come in, nobody can go out. Everybody is supposed to stay within their houses and come out only for the minimum, bare minimum essential activities.
जो पहला जो जवान था हमारा
जी।
कोरोना इन्फेक्टेड हुआ है, उनका हेल्थ का स्टेटस क्या है?
अभी स्टेबल है। That Sonowal you are talking about?
अरे,
Sonowal?
हाँ, पेट्रोल।
अच्छा, हाँ, head constable. He is stable. He is all okay.
Second test has been conducted. Second test.
No, that will be done after 7 days.
So now since you have said that about that person, mass person, he belongs to a village. So now is there any chance of doing community testing across the village since you have just said he is a civilian?
First, when we have verified, this has been confirmed by BSF also that that person has not gone to visited his village for last 1 month since the lockdown started. So chances of community transmission is in any case almost zero. But even then, because Magazine Para, it adjacent to BSF headquarters, is a part of the containment zone.
Pure Report, Channel Din Raat.